my dear students. Welcome back to my channel, Civil Tips and Tricks for Civil Engineers. Okay. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും അറിയാം, ഞാൻ സിവിൽ എഞ്ചിനീയേഴ്സ് മാത്രമല്ല എല്ലാ എഞ്ചിനീയേഴ്സിനും കൂടെയാണ് ഞാൻ ക്ലാസ് എടുക്കുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ. ഇപ്രാവശ്യം ഞാൻ എടുക്കുന്നത് വന്നിട്ട് ഞാനിപ്പോൾ എംടെക് പഠിക്കുന്നതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ എംടെക്കിലെ കുറച്ച് സബ്ജക്ട്സ് ആണ് ഞാനിപ്പോൾ എടുക്കുന്നത്. സോളാറിൻ്റെ വന്നിട്ട് ഞാൻ കുറച്ച് എടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞു. ഓക്കെ. ഇന്ന് എടുക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത് വന്നിട്ട് ബയോഗ്യാസിനെ പറ്റിയാണ്. ഓക്കെ. അപ്പം നമുക്കറിയാം റീസെന്റ് ട്രെൻഡ്സ് ഇൻ ബയോഗ്യാസ് പ്രൊഡക്ഷനിൽ എന്തൊക്കെയാണ് നമുക്ക് വരാൻ പോകുന്നത്. നമുക്ക് അറിയാത്തവർക്ക് ഇനി ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു തരാം. ഓക്കെ. അപ്പം കഴിഞ്ഞ ക്ലാസ് സോളാർ ആയിരുന്നു ഞാൻ, പക്ഷെ സോളാർ എടുക്കേണ്ടതാണ്. പക്ഷെ എന്നിട്ട് ബയോഗ്യാസിനാണ് എനിക്ക് കുറച്ചുകൂടെ എളുപ്പമായിട്ട് തോന്നിയത്. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ ബയോഗ്യാസ് പ്രൊഡക്ഷനെ പറ്റി ഇന്ന് ക്ലാസ് എടുക്കാം. ഓക്കെ. അപ്പം ഞാൻ ക്ലാസ് എടുക്കുന്നതിന് മുമ്പ് തന്നെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ആർക്കെങ്കിലും, ഞാൻ ഇംഗ്ലീഷിലായിരിക്കും മിക്കവാറും ക്ലാസ് എടുക്കും. കാരണം കഴിഞ്ഞ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ ഞാൻ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് എടുക്കുന്നത് പ്രത്യേകം പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ഓക്കെ. അപ്പം ഞാൻ ഇപ്രാവശ്യം വന്നിട്ട് ഇംഗ്ലീഷിലാണ് എടുക്കുന്നത്. ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് എടുക്കുന്ന ആൾക്കാർക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവുന്നില്ല എന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ജസ്റ്റ് കമന്റ് സെക്ഷനിൽ വന്നിട്ട് ആഡ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഞാൻ വന്നിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ആ ഒരു ഡൗട്ട് ക്ലിയർ ചെയ്ത് തരാം. ഓക്കെ. അപ്പം നമുക്ക് നേരെ വീഡിയോയിലോട്ട് പോകാം. ഓക്കെ. അനേറോബിക് ഡൈജഷൻ. Anaerobic digestion is a complex microbiological process in the absence of oxygen used to convert organic matter of the substrate into biogas. Means the biomass is converted to biogas. Okay, by means of microbiological process. Means bacteria will be present. That bacteria will convert the biomass to biogas. That's the main thing it is discussing. Anaerobic means without the presence of oxygen. Oxygen is not present. Okay. For that we use, means for that biogas we use other gas. That is the main thing it's telling. Means air is not at all used. Without the presence of air, that bacteria will change the biomass to biogas. A complex microbiological process with widespread natural occurrence. Like example, it is telling the example means in our earth there are lot of biomasses present. Okay, like rice husk, cow dung, swampland, rice plantations, etc. is there. That is, we can convert that to useful byproducts. It is telling like that. Okay. In the anaerobic digestion, several steps involving participation of different types of bacteria, which requires different environmental conditions to live and develop. Okay. As a result of microbiological process, anaerobic digestion is very sensitive to changes environmental conditions like temperature, acidity, levels of nutrition, etc. It is telling like that if temperature is increased, okay, by in the biogas production, if temperature is increased, okay, temperature increase, when temperature increases, what will happen? That bacteria will die. Okay, that is the telling. Acidity is increased, bacteria will die. Nutrition level is increased. When bacteria is very large, nutrition level is very less. That bacteria will eat the nutrition and it will eat themselves. Okay, that will be affected in the anaerobic digestion. Okay, as a result, gas in this process, gas is produced, which will be partially combustible since its main component is methane. Methane is produce energy carrier that is used to convert one form of energy to another. Okay, like electricity, heat, and etc. How methane is produced electricity? While be reading this, people can't know how electricity is produced by methane. Methane is a combustible gas. Okay, this methane will be combusted in the boiler. Okay, this boiler will convert the water to superheated steam. Okay, that steam will rotate the turbine and the electricity is produced. Simple. In other compounds, the gas is produced. In other compound, gas like biogas and carbon dioxide is produced. Okay. Most important environmental condition in anaerobic digestion is absence of oxygen. Okay, if oxygen is present, methane cannot be produced. Okay, methane cannot be produced. For that only, oxygen should not be present. Okay. Okay then. methane is produced, but the population of bacteria cannot produce methane. Sufficient methane can't be produced. That's it. Is the main thing is discussed here. Okay. The principle of biogas is the gases like methane and other products like carbon dioxide by decomposing. Okay, decomposing means we are keeping the biomass for several days in a closed container. Okay, so that biomass will convert to um, biogas. That's the main thing it's telling. Okay, breakdown of complex substances into simple basic substance. Biomass is an organic matter, natural substance obtained from plants and animals such as cow dung, vegetable waste. Okay. In the absence of air and presence of water. Okay. Okay. Then next we are going to discuss about the process stage of biogas production. Okay. In the biogas production, first is organic polymers. Okay, in the picture itself, what is organic polymers is we are biomass. Okay, biomass means rice and all our rice means wasted rice, means we are using rice at home, and afternoon we don't want that rice and we will throw it off. That rice itself we is a organic polymer. We can use it as a biogas production, means it is a biomass. Okay, then in the organic polymers includes fats, proteins, carbohydrates. Okay, this this is an organic polymer. It is an initial stage. At this time, hydrolysis process will be carried out. For several days, it will convert, that organic compounds will convert to monomers. Okay, means simple organic compounds, it is will already discussed about. Okay. That will convert to monomers. Monomers means that fats will convert to fatty acids, protein will convert to amino acids, carbohydrate will convert to sugar. Okay. Then next process is acidogenesis. Okay, acidogenesis process is monomers. Okay. Monomers is converted to organic acids. In the this process is acetogenesis. Okay, this organic acids and alcohol is that fatty acids will converted to, means fatty acids may contain polymers. This polymers is converted to lower fatty acids, and lactic acid by amino acid is converted to lactic acid, sugar will convert it to alcohol. Okay, these organic acids and alcohol will convert it to acetic acid and H2, means hydrogen and carbon dioxide in the process of acetogenesis. These acetic acid and hydrogen and carbon dioxide will combine together to form biogas. Okay. In this biogas, methane and carbon dioxide are the main byproducts. Okay. This process is called methanogenesis. I think you understood by this seeing this picture. Okay. Then we can discuss next. Next is the how this process is continuing. That is the is telling anaerobic digestion or biogas production is separated into four main steps. First step is hydrolysis. The organic polymer of feedstock that like fats, proteins, carbohydrates are split into monomers, fatty acids, sugar, and amino acids. In the second step, acidogenesis, lower fatty acids like acetic acid, sorry, propinic acid, and butanic acid emerge from monomers. Okay. In the addition of small amount of lactic acid and alcohol are produced. During this step, acidity of the substrate pH value increases. Okay. Within the following step, acidogenesis, these acid products are converted to acetic acids, hydrogen, and carbon dioxide. In the last step of the process, methanogenesis, bacterial synthesis using carbon dioxide and hydrogen produce methane. First two steps, the process will take pH values between 4.5 and 7.5. Okay. I think it will be near neutral. 7.57 is the neutral. Okay. Second step is more restrictive, which pH value between 6.8 and 7.5. This is also about neutral. Okay. Okay. This is this slide is only there. Next, I will take other classes. Okay. There are number of designs or types of digesters. Okay, mainly three types of digesters are there: fixed dome digester, floating drum digester, balloon digester. Okay, today I can't discuss because it will be very lengthy process. So next class I will discuss about types of digesters. Okay, I think you all understood my language. If you don't understood, just please comment in my YouTube channel. Okay. Thank you and all the best for exams.